Getting started for the day. Day 3 with the JAHJAH Foundation.
And we're at the military base, huh?
Oh yeah. Taking care of those that have served. Indeed an honor.
Yes.
Good man.
Good morning, I'm Lieutenant Shanique Bennett, second in command for Alpha Company, 4th Battalion, the Jamaica Regiment. We're currently in charge of the parishes of Clarendon and Manchester.
Please tell me about this initiative that's going on here today.
So there's a health fair going on in which we will be aiding the veterans, those who have served in the JAHJAH, in various ways, doing varying checkups, health checkups, and I think this is a great initiative because they have served us before, so we're giving back to them.
Alright, so the JAHJAH Foundation is the name of the organization and we're very delighted to be here. Does it warm your heart to see us circling back as Jamaicans leading the charge here?
It does, you know, it is always a good thing to give back, to help those who have helped us in the past. So yes, it definitely does warm my heart.
And do you think there's a role in Jamaica for organizations like the JAHJAH Foundation to really help out where the government can't really help with everything?
Most definitely, because there are many persons, even persons who have not served in the military, who would love aids like this and are not getting it. So if we could have more organizations like this to give back to those persons in Jamaica who cannot afford it, it would be a good initiative.
Okay, well, thank you for all you do. You say you're second in command.
Yes, I am.
Right, congratulations on that accomplishment. It warms my heart to see such a young person being second in command.
Thank you very much.
No, Sam, never said that. Yes. Yes, link up memories. Yes, man.
How do you feel about this?
I think it should be more regular. I think this is a great effort to bring out those that are locked in for a long time and need some attention. And this is what we really need to have. You know, because very good. I wish for them everything that is prosperous and blessings from the Almighty. For them. For you guys, all of you guys who contribute to this. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How are you? You got seen it?
Yes, I've seen it.
Okay. How many years did you serve in the Jamaica Defence Force, sir?
12 years.
12 years? Did you enjoy it?
Love it.
What was one of your most memorable moments in the Jamaica Defence Force?
Oh, lot of it. I have a lot of it. Lot of excitement.
Like one that really stood out that you remember, that really stood out. One of them that really stood out for you.
Oh, my first parade in 1966.
Yeah, that was the year Selassie came.
That year was Selassie came.
Right.
And that was memorable. I cannot forget it.
Yeah? You were part of the security corps for Selassie?
Yeah.
Tell us about it. What happened?
It was very exciting. And we got the train leave Kingston to Montego Bay.
So you took a train from Kingston?
No, we had to.
The soldier?
Yeah, we drive along the way, and then we have to take up position at Mapen, train station, Guard of Honor there.
So Selassie landed in Montego Bay or in Kingston?
Kingston.
Okay. And then you saw him with the twice?
Yeah,
Where
quite
did
a
you
few
see?
times.
Where you saw him?
I saw him on the way from the airport, and I saw him on parade, and I saw him in the stadium, and I saw him on Mapen on the train going to Montego Bay.
You saw him many times. I've seen him. What do you think about the JAHJAH Foundation putting on the self-care here for you veterans here?
Lovely. That was nice. Yeah, I appreciate it.
You'd like us to come back?
Yeah.
And we're happy to be here.
My name is Chester Crawford. I died in 1965.
Well, thank you for your service, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Appreciate it.
JAHJAH Foundation.